What is going on, everyone? Ryan here. Welcome back to another video. We are fishing a brand new lake today. So never caught a fish, never been here before. So we're gonna figure out together what kind of things live inside this lake. Let's get started. Let's get to fishing. All right, I've walked into this tiny little cove, a little offshoot from the main lake. I think we're gonna try here for now. The weather's warming up. The crappie and everything else should be kind of going towards, the shallow areas to look for places to spawn. So we're gonna start from here. This guy just came up and talked to me. He caught 2 bass. He's been here for a while, so they're here. I'm itching to start throwing stuff. So we're gonna start off with this small lure. This is a Trout Magnet. You guys have seen this on the channel before, but whatever is prowling these waters, they're probably keyed in on small forage. It's early spring, the water's not super warm yet. Inch and a half lure, fished in like a very slow pace. So I've got a bobber. I think that's gonna be the ticket. First cast into the unknown. Just gonna slowly retrieve it. Let's see. Okay. The water's cold, but it's not freezing anymore. That's a great sign, actually. I chose that white lure with the black head. It offers a lot of good contrast. And I think we need that today because that water, as you can see, is kind of murky. So hopefully that's gonna help. We don't know where they are yet. But once we do find them, it's over. It is over for them fish. I suspect that this lure is dragging on the bottom, so it's pushing down my bobber and making me feel like there's a bite. So when in doubt, just go a little bit more shallow, or a little higher up in the water, because crappie, for example, are looking up when they eat most of the time. So you want that bait above them, so then they're gonna come up and get it. Now bluegills, it doesn't matter because bluegills will eat anything. But 9 times out of 10, something like a crappie, if you just have it above them and just dangle that thing, they're gonna come up for it for sure. Oh no, my bobber. I just lost my bobber. What did I find? Ooh, I just found a lure. Nice. All right, we're gonna hike towards where I was coming from because this ain't working. Oh, I got a fish. Oh my gosh. Oh no, it came off. Bro, I was like, why is this tight? I didn't realize it was a fish, y'all. Dang. That was so close. All right, we're gonna recast. All right, I got a secret weapon, secret bait. If I catch a fish, I'll let you guys know what it is. Oh man, I'm telling you guys, I've been here for like 2 hours. And other than that one little bite that we got, no fish. It's been a really slow winter. I haven't caught a single fish. I haven't felt the tug of a fish since fall of last year. And I'm going through withdrawal, definitely. So we're gonna keep walking. We're gonna keep checking out the rest of this bank area and see if we can find something, but it's not looking good. I'm trying every technique that I can think of. Slow, fast, different lures. It's nothing, man. It's like the fish aren't here yet. But we don't give up, not on this channel. That was a big fish. So I lost my bobber earlier and I've just been tracking it and it's floating and floating and floating and it finally hit the other side of the bank. So now I gotta make like the trip to the other side of the bank to try to get it before it floats away again. And this is like the best time to fish. there's still some sun, but the sun's going down and all the fish are coming out to like eat. Ow, ran into a branch. But by the time I get it back, I'll still probably, ooh, what did I find here? Found a bobber, make up for the one I lost and more. Dude, you know what I think would be absolutely killer right now? It's like a very tiny spinner. All right, got my stuff. All right. We're gonna try this area here. Oh my gosh. Dude, it was right here. There we go. Oh my God. Dude. They're huge. Oh, what the frick? Yo. Look at this thing. That's a big female. Y'all, look at this beautiful female. Nice, big mouth, plump body. I can barely talk. The adrenaline is going crazy. Let's go ahead and let her go. I've been here all afternoon. This is all worth it. That was beautiful. And it hit right by the bank too. Oh man. What ended up doing the trick, y'all, was this thing right here. Just a pure white rooster tail. 1/32 of an ounce. Okay, I'm gonna go on the other side, back to where I was. I was fishing there at the beginning, so that was legit like the first fish that I've caught in like the last 3-4 months. Oh wow. Man, that was an aggressive fish. One fish literally made my day, made my week. We're gonna fish that other side with our newfound technique. We're gonna be unstoppable. Holy, they were just right here, bro. Oh, here we go, 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 here we go. Oh, it came off. Dude, you gotta slow it way down. I'm gonna switch back to the Trout Magnet. Because as fun as that was, I have a theory, and it is that these guys want like a very, very tiny and very, very slow lure. And if I can somehow present that to them, it's gonna be deadly. So that's what we're gonna do. Just like this. That's where we got that last one. Come on. Bite. Dang. Come on. I know you want to bite. Oh, there we go. Got him. And we got him, boys. Look at that. Look at that beautiful, beautiful black crappie onto the ground. That's a male. This is a male. Look at that beautiful black crappie. Oh my gosh. You see that? Nice, beautiful fish. We're gonna go ahead and let him go. And he's gone. Beautiful. All we had to do, slow that down. He was just sitting on that log, just sitting on that tree. How? Oh, they got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. We got him. What is this? We got him. We got him. Here we go. Try to be quiet. I'm not very quiet. Got him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Oh, yeah. Yo, let's go. I'm telling you, they're just right on the edges here, and they're all holed up under like different pieces of water or different pieces of logs and stuff. Look at this beautiful fish. Oh, she just got one too. Look at this beautiful fish. Oh man, this thing's got to be a 12-incher, 13-incher. Look at those. Look at that fin. Beautiful fins. This makes everything worth it. Man, that was such an amazing fishing trip. Like, this is what makes it all worth it. You know, start out, you can't catch them, you don't know where, and you fish it. It's a brand new lake, and then you just kept changing up your lures, changing up your retrieve, downsizing, slowing things down, and finally you figured out where they are. And man, it was so worth it. Now, on my way back, as I was getting into my car, I found another area where I saw a bunch of ripples on the surface of the water. So the next video, we're gonna come right back here. We're gonna fish the other side of the lake, see if we can catch any more fish. So until next time, you guys go out there. They're here now. They're by the banks. It is the perfect weather. Thank you guys so much for watching, and tight lines.